I'm new to YouTube. I've never really done this before. This is my first vlog style video, but welcome. I'd like to say, I thought I'd give this a try. So I just recently purchased a Mavic 2 Zoom. There we go. And honestly, I just want to give it a try and see the type of footage I can. It's currently looking really, really shitty outside, so I think there's some sort of light rain, and I know you're not supposed to fly these drones in the rain. So here I am thinking, you know what, fuck it. We're gonna fucking test it. And here's my honest reaction. All right, so here it is. Oh, baby. She says, this is Smokey, y'all. But there it is. Got a nice case. I got a steal for this thing. Let me know down in the comments how much you think I got this thing for. And with how much this thing costs is the reason why I'm taking this thing outside. I will let you guys know at the end of the video how much this thing costs. So like and subscribe if you want to see more content. Again, this is the first video, so who knows, my editing process might change. You might see some progress, you might see some redundancies. I would love to learn any more tips and tricks. Leave everything down in the comments below. Thank you, and let's get to fly. As you can see, it is completely and utterly raining outside. This doesn't look fun, but it's a light drizzle. Oh my God, it's dripping right there. It's a light, fast drizzle, and it's really little to no wind. I do have, however, on my drone, I do have cold weather props. So these are nice. Got some extra regular props in there, but this is the true test. Will the Mavic 2 Zoom make it out there in the rain? Well, everything seems to be working well. Everything's paired nice and well. We'll see if she'll start. Propeller started. She's in the air. Let's turn her around towards us. Oh yeah, she's looking real pretty. I'll switch over to the drone view now. just came back from a little maiden voyage, and everything still seems to be working well. Might go around a little bit for a little bit more. Then I will show you guys if this thing still runs or not in the next couple of days. Here it is, another day. And honestly, the footage came out really amazing. And in my honest opinion, I would definitely recommend this as a perfect starter drone with all the newer drones that came out. This is just so perfect because of the colors and the exposure. I did use an ND filter, and with the exposure, everything came out so perfectly. And when I went to go edit it, I had so much control over the colors of the footage. And honestly, I would not recommend, I honestly do not recommend you flying your drone in the rain, but let's say you get caught out in the rain. Your drone will be okay just as long as you make sure everything is dry after the flight. Before you put it away, all your ND filters need to be dry. Make sure you wipe them off and put them away, because moisture will accumulate in your ND filter case. So make sure you wipe them off. Make sure you wipe your drone off as well. That's something you definitely need to do if you do get caught out in the rain. This was just a test to fly and see what type of footage I could get. I'm not telling you, I definitely don't condone you to do this. Again, I'm not telling you to follow whatever I say do. I'm telling you, my drone came out okay, and I'm not flying again in weather like this. I thought it would be a good test because I don't really see anyone posting anyone flying in the rain, you know. Again, I'm a starter channel, and I thought this would be super great as a test because I got one steal for this Mavic 2 Zoom. I ended up getting it for $350 off of Facebook Marketplace. Like, it really blew my mind. All it was just patiently waiting. And to whoever wants to buy a drone, I definitely recommend just wait. I waited almost 2 years to purchase my first drone. I've spent 1.5 years in simulators and whatnot, so I can definitely practice different types of movement and whatnot. But mainly my point is DJI makes a perfect drone. You can fly this thing and still get crystal clear footage in the rain, and that absolutely blew my mind. Like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, because I definitely want to make more stuff once the weather gets better. I really enjoy making this for you guys, and I just want to put out more content, you know. I have really nothing by me where I can fly by, you know. I do stay in Chicago, and it's like, if you're born here, you know the city's like not the place you really want to go. And I'm not saying for all the tourist people who really loved it out here, I'm just saying it's a place where people just kind of look at you sideways. I really just want to fly near mountains and, you know, places where it's just kind of different from just a flat Midwest landscape. If anyone can put me onto new types of content ideas, please link them down in the subscription. For those who watched it all the way to the end, thank you again. Y'all have no clue how much subscribing helps me make more content, you know. Me getting paid by you guys to go and film things that you've never seen before. I'm willing to do the most for you guys. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.